Hey everyone, it's Trevor here at Legacy Dodge in Claresholm with a very special truck. Check out our first 2025 Ram 1500 Rebel. This one's finished in red pearl, absolutely stunning. Love the new appearance of the front bumper, grille, sport performance hood, uprated Goodyear Wrangler tires. We got blind spot monitoring. This absolutely beautiful two-tone interior. Just stunning details. Driver's information display, 12-inch Uconnect with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, 9-speaker, 556-watt Alpine premium surround sound system with subwoofer, the same two-tone back seats. Love that. These things warm up super quick with the heated seats. That heated wheel keeps you nice and cozy all winter long. The big story here, folks, is of course the all-new 420 horsepower, 469 pound-foot of torque, 3-liter Hurricane, twin-turbo straight six, 9.8 liters per 100 kilometers highway, increased performance, better fuel economy, all right here in a brand new Ram. 403-625-4555. Take it home today.